Hello YouTube. Today I'm about to do an unboxing of the Google Smart Light Starter Kit. And this is the Google Light and Starter Kit. I picked this up during the Black Friday sale after Thanksgiving. And I think it was like $25. Pretty good buy. I've been watching it, so I never got a chance to pick one up, so I guess that was the best chance to get it after Thanksgiving sale. So when you open the box, you get this pamphlet here. I guess to let you know how you get everything installed and set up, ready to go. Oh yeah. You have what appears to be 3 boxes. We'll say this one for last. And this one here is the this is the bulb, I guess. This is a paper here where another setup guide, little small paper. I should have had everything already. But okay, here's the bulb here. Feels like a regular bulb. I guess it's just a smart bulb by GE. So it's a plastic bulb here. It seems like this could be some type of plastic or ceramic. This is like one of those regular LED bulbs. That's everything in that box. And I don't know what this is. Can't even guess what it is. Maybe some type of cords or something. Maybe. Oh, it's empty. It's an empty box. So I guess it was just a space to create space. So yeah, this box here is empty. And here's the Google Home Mini. It's kind of hard to do with one hand and recording at the same time. And voila. Got that open. Well, I tell you guys, this box is pretty hard to get into, especially when you're recording and trying to do it all with one hand. Okay, when you get this box open, the Google Home Mini, here's the charger for it. A pretty long cord to go to it. Look like it could be about maybe a 6-foot cord. Lay that to the side. And here's another pamphlet, installation guide. I don't know why I call it a pamphlet. And paper. And the Google Home Mini. Pretty lightweight. Have a rubber backing on it, I guess, to set it on tables and shelves, so I guess so it won't slide off. So this here is made of cloth. Yep. So yeah, guys, there you go. The Google Home Mini Starter Kit. And that will come in the box. If you like my videos, guys, please rate and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Thank you and have a blessed day.